channel. Today I thought I would bring you a DIY throw pillow. It's a no-sew throw pillow made out of dish towels. I got a 2-pack from Target Dollars, but my daughter is down here talking to you guys, so if you hear her yammering in the background, that's her. Anyways, I got these dish towels from Target. They came in a 2-pack, so I bought 2 packs so that both sides of the pillow would match. And I'm gonna make that really quick. So the total cost of this project for me is $6 because I already have a pillow that I can de-stuff and use the stuffing for this, and I have a hot glue gun and hot glue. So I'm gonna jump right into it. But before I go, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is lay out my fabric for the first pillow and get the second piece of fabric ready to hot glue to it. Now I am going to, hopefully my hot glue gun is nice and hot, it's been warming up for a bit, start gluing it together. Okay, now that I have it mostly hot glued together, I'm going to start stuffing it, and then I will glue it the rest of the way back together. We have a pillow! Yay! Alright guys, I have to apologize for the lighting in here, but didn't they just turn out so fantastic? Oh, I love them so much. They will not actually be staying out here. They will be going in our master bedroom, but I have not done that makeover yet. This was the first step, was making these pillows, so I'm going to put these away until I get around to giving our bedroom a makeover. But I wanted to show you guys the final project. I think they turned out just amazing. I will make a quick note. That it was much easier to stuff when I did the full side and one end and just stuffed it from the end like I did with this one. Much easier than the way I stuffed that one. So I would suggest doing it from here and leaving one end open. Anyways, I hope that you try out this project. I would love to see what you guys make with it. If you do make it, tag me on Instagram. I will leave my link in the description below.